Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lord Have Mercy. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking and watching, and if you are a returner, what's good? I feel like I haven't done that in forever. What is good? What is good? What do you do? Where are you doing? Are you doing good? Is everybody doing good? Is your family doing good? Is your brother doing good? Your sister, your cousin, your mommy, your daddy, your dog, your cat, your chicken, your chinchilla, your hamster. Nowadays we even have snakes as pets. Hope everybody is doing good. Oh my god. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good. It's been a while since I've done like a makeup look, I think, but yeah, that's what today's video is gonna be, if you can't tell from the title. But yeah, it's gonna be, I want to do something springy, so like something colorful. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not gonna talk much during this video or tutorial. I'm just gonna do like step-by-step discussion, talking stuffs. Other than that, if something comes to mind, I'll spill it out. If not, just focus on the tutorial. I hope you're doing good. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button below and hit the bell for notification, so you know when I have a new video posted. Yeah. Ooh, skin. Ooh. It looks dry though. I've been told my skin is dehydrated. I haven't been drinking a lot of water. That's why. I've been high on I was gonna say alcohol. I don't drink alcohol, no. I've been shy. Oh god, I don't drink alcohol. What is alcohol? How do you even spell alcohol? Me, I don't know. I've been drinking a lot of soda and Winston's, and less water, which is not good, and I can tell it's affecting my skin. I have been trying to drink more water though. Keep me in your prayers. Fast for me. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna spray my face. Let me get something real quick. Alright, and we are back. I'm gonna spray my face to refresh it with the Mario Badescu facial spray, aloe and chamomile. It has a weird smell, and lavender. It has a weird smell, that lavender scent, which I don't really like, but it says it's supposed to replenish the skin with an infusion of calming botanicals and lavender essential water. This facial mist delivers a soothing boost of hydration as antioxidant vitamin C combats skin aging-free radicals, leaving the skin balanced and bright. So that's why I got it. So I'm gonna be using the Revlon Candid foundation in 540 and in 530. Ooh, that blended in so nice. Okay, 3, 5, 5, what are you, 530? So I actually only used 530. I didn't use 540. Next is concealer. We're gonna be using the Fenty. It's scented, the L'Oreal concealer. I was like, something scented good. It's really good. It's not me. I mean, it's me. But I'm like, on my face, something smells good. But yeah, it's scented. Interesting. Not like a chemical smell. It smells good, but it's covered with like, I don't know, these scents that people be throwing up and down. Lavender, vanilla. I was gonna say testosterone, but no, that's not a scent. So yeah, it has an interesting scent. It's manageable. You know what? I just remembered I did not prime. I guess this kind of served as my primer. But yeah, I did not. Oh wow, interesting. And I have powder all over my chest. This is my British accent, by the way, if you're wondering. How am I doing with my British accent? Am I doing good? I wonder how people form like accent. Nigerians they carry a word in accent for me.
Wow, the wind was very much. I was trying to push her, the wind was still taking me back. But I tried my best. I never expected it.
You still want girl now? She be blowing accent, blowing grammar. Ask her, where are you from? Oh, me? I'm from Galaba. You know what I am saying, no? Girl, you're just blowing British. Like, are you British? No, are you Calabar and you're putting British accent? Or how are you Calabar and you're putting British? How are you Calabar and you're putting British accent? I should get you're not for that. What are you waiting there do you? Waiting there do you? My friends make fun of my pigeon. My pidgin English. Oh, my teeth is white. Okay, come through, titties.
What did you say?
Titties. Come through, tits. Toots, titties, tits. Come through, level. Just come through, whatever you are, come through. Next I'm gonna move on to the eyes. Remember, we're doing springy things, a new bed, a new bright and colorful day ahead of us. I'm using this NYX blush in the shade Electro. Bum, 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 bam. A carrot a day keeps cry away. I'm thinking of using a white from here as a base so that this, where is it? Oh, so that this pink can pop, or using the pink here, this one, for the base. I'm conflicted, guys. Help me decide a decision. Hopefully it pumps, since I wanted to pump. He doesn't pop. It's gonna pop out of here, man. Ooh, oh, okay. How do pigeons do it? The sound. Alright, and we are blessed by the gods. We were made heads and not tails. You know what I mean? We just have to like contour it a bit, even though we're not ashamed. We hone it. We hone our 5 heads. Part of the face paint thing came with like little stickers. This is of a butterfly, and they remind me of spring. I'm coming out of my shell. Can you tell? Okay, so I just highlight it, and then we're gonna do this. How do we want our butterfly? Do we want to fly it to the east, to the north, to the south, to the west, southeast, southwest airline, spirit airline, so it disappears? And I'm just gonna put that in the butterfly. Let's see the butterfly effect it makes. Hey, it's cute. It's cute. We manage it like that. It's cute. Alright, so I went ahead. What did I do last here? I think it was the mascara. So now I'm going to set my face. To set my face, I'm using the Lancome Fix It Forget It setting spray. Alright, moving on to the lips. I'm going to, I don't know if I should do a nude or do like a fuchsia. For lipstick, I'm using the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in Obsession. Alright, I'm gonna close this video out and continue with my shenanigans. That's it for this video. That's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know below in the comment section, or give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be encouraged to do more of it. But yeah, thank you so much for clicking and watching, and I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Peace and God bless you.